Good day, kids! We are here today to learn about the colors, the shape, and the alphabet. First, I will introduce the teachers for today. Teacher G, Teacher M, Teacher Andrea, and me, Teacher Angel. Are you guys ready to learn?
Yes!
I can hear you!
Yes!
Let's start!
Hello everyone! Today we're going to discuss about color. We have primary colors and secondary colors. For the primary colors, we have red, yellow, and blue. Again, red, yellow, and blue. Can you repeat after me?
Red,
yellow, and blue.
blue.
Now, we have secondary colors. The secondary colors are green, orange, and purple. Again, green, orange, and purple. Can you repeat after me?
Green,
Orange, and purple.
purple.
Now, before we proceed for the next topic, let's have a short quiz. Now, can you give me the three primary colors?
Red, yellow, blue.
Very good! The three primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Now, can you give me the secondary colors?
Green, orange, purple.
Very good! The secondary colors are green, orange, and purple. For the next topic, now let's call Teacher M.
Hello kids! I am Teacher M. So for today, we are going to learn the different kinds of shape. So kids, let's first identify the first shape. The first shape is circle. Again,
Circle.
very good. This is circle. Now let's identify the second shape, which is oval. Again,
Oval.
very good. Now let's identify the third shape, which is triangle. Again,
Triangle.
very good. So the fourth shape is rectangle. Again,
Rectangle.
very good. Now let's proceed on the fifth shape, which is square. Again, kids, what shape is this?
Square.
Very good. And the last shape is diamond. What shape is this, kids?
Diamond.
Very good. So now you are ready for the short quiz. Again, kids, what shape is this?
Circle.
Very good, circle. And for the second shape is
Oval.
very good, oval. Next is the shape is
Triangle.
very good, triangle. So I think you are ready for the next lesson.
Hello guys, I'm Teacher Angel. Let's study the alphabet. A for ant, B for bat, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for frog, G for giraffe, H for horse, I for iguana, J for jaguar, K for kangaroo, L for lion, and M for map. And now, Teacher Andrea will continue the next letter. Hi kids, I am Teacher Andrea. What was the last letter?
M.
Correct, letter M. Now, let's proceed to the next letter. Letter N. N stands for nightingale. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S stands for snake. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V, vulture. W. W stands for whale. X for X-ray fish. Y for yak. And the last letter is Z. Stands for zebra. Kids, you already know the colors, the shape, and the alphabet. Kids, did you have fun and learn something?
Yes!
That's good! Till next time, thank you for watching. Bye-bye!